This is our next storm. Right now, it's picking up a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and it's going to roll its way toward us as we move into tomorrow. By the afternoon, you'll start to see showers developing. You could see that here by noon on your Monday. But the most intense rainfall and really the most intense portion of the storm hits us during the evening commute for our Monday. So this is 5 o'clock Monday evening. You could see downpours filling in for the area. This is going to push through with very strong wind. We're seeing this potential for wind gusts nearing 60 miles per hour with the strongest downpours rolling through with a few rumbles of thunder as well. Thunderstorm potential is something we're also watching. So this continues through about 7 o'clock. Very intense rainfall. After that point, we will see showers still in place, just not quite as intense. So you can see by 10, 11 o'clock in the evening on Monday, just a few passing showers, which will be the nature of the forecast as we travel through Tuesday. So the biggest time frame of concern is that late afternoon to evening time frame for your Monday, where we do have that chance of power outages with the strongest wind, especially in southeastern Massachusetts. But really, for much of our coastline, that potential is there. So be prepared. Wind gusts nearing 50 to 60 miles per hour, could even get stronger, especially moving down toward Cape Cod and the islands. All of this area is under a high wind watch starting tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock for that potential for wind gusts nearing that 60 mile per hour range. As of this morning, pretty calm out there. We're seeing some great color to the skies. We're inching a little closer to sunrise at 6:52. 38 degree start in Boston, not bad. But the chill is stronger as you move into the suburbs. We're seeing 20s as you move along north of Route 2 and just below freezing as you move just west of the city, even south of the city too, down to New Bedford at 31 degrees this morning. A nice recovery this afternoon. The combination of that west to southwest wind along with plenty of sun overhead will help our temperatures to warm. We're into the low to mid 50s today. Most of us in the mid 50s, in fact, with average high temperatures this time of year in the upper 40s. Tonight, a mostly clear night as we drop down into the 30s to near 40 degrees in Boston. And then, of course, that impact weather for your Monday. I've mentioned the rain and the wind potential. I want to talk about just how much rain we're watching for. And there is that chance here that we see closer to 2 inches of rainfall in southeastern Massachusetts, an area that could definitely use this rain as we are still dealing with those drought conditions. But keep in mind, as those downpours push through, we could see some nuisance street flooding. From there, there's a change in the pattern. We're going to see that jet stream pattern dip toward our area, allowing for colder air to feed toward us. So temperatures will struggle to get out of the 40s on Wednesday and Thursday. Plenty of sun through Friday before our next chance of rain next weekend.